I'm so happy you came all the way to Playa Verde to visit me. Uh-oh, is something wrong? ¿Qué pasa?
It's backpack and map. I lost them.
Where was the last place you saw them?
In the rainforest.
What? Flowery Garden, tallest mountain path to Playa Verde. Flowery Garden, tallest mountain path to Playa Verde. Tallest flowery rainforest trees. Let's go! So, Boots, where did you last see Backpack and Map?
I was on my way to the river, and I just put Backpack down for a second and Swiper took her.
Well, then we have to find Swiper.
Look, Dora, bananas! They must have fallen out of Backpack.
Let's pick them up. I bet they'll help us find her. Vámonos, let's go! Tap well, sí, excelente. Double tap to do a special jump. Way to go! Collect all the bananas. All right. There, Swiper. We need to catch up to him. Un arcoíris! We found the rainbow charm! Look at us go! Whoa! All right! Whoa! Look at us go! Whoa! Big Red Chicken! Nice to see you again, big guy. All right. Thanks, Boots. Swing. Hang on. Mira. All right. Hang on! Mira! Look at us go! All right. Follow that fox. Look at us go! Whoa! Vamos! Thanks, Boots. Swing me higher and higher by swiping back and forth like a swing. Whee! All right! Look at us go! Whoa! It's the grumpy old troll. Whoa! discover things by tapping the screen. Fantastico! We caught up to Swiper! Swiper, why were you running away?
I swiped backpack and map! I did it! I did it!
It's good you told us, Swiper. Now, where did you hide them?
That's just it! Before I could hide them, a big wind came and it blew backpack and map into the air!
Swiper, you can't just run away. We've got to find Backpack and Map, right?
Come on, let's go find them!
Fantastico! We made it through the rainforest trees. Run through them again to find even more charms. Look at the charms and play again.